One sentence to Claude Code, and you get back an editorial quality architecture diagram that looks like it came from a design team, not a diagramming tool. That's diagram design. 29 diagram types, 3 style variants each, 0 dependencies, and a hard rule against what the author calls Mermaid-slop. It just crossed 6,000 GitHub stars, and it might be the most immediately useful Claude Code skill on the marketplace. Here's the full tour. Diagram design is a skill. A packaged instruction set Claude Code loads when you ask for a diagram. You describe what you want in plain English. Make me an architecture diagram with a front end, a back end, a database, and a Redis cache. The skill picks the right diagram type, lays it out against a strict design system, and writes a single self-contained HTML file with inline SVG. No build step, no library imports, no JavaScript. The file opens in any browser and renders identically forever. Every type ships in 3 variants: minimal light, minimal dark, and full editorial. And the cleverest feature, stealing your entire brand identity from your website in about a minute, is coming up. The author is the most interesting part of the story. Catherine Lavery isn't a career software engineer. She's the founder of BestSelf.co, a stationery and productivity company she bootstrapped past $55 million in revenue, sold to private equity in 2022, and bought back in 2024. Her bio says she's becoming AI native and documenting as I go. And one of the artifacts of that journey is a 6,000-star developer tool. It's a data point worth noticing. The Claude Code skills ecosystem is being shaped by people who care about output quality, not just people who write compilers. What makes the output good is that the skill enforces taste as rules. 1 accent color per diagram, never a rainbow. Typography is fixed. Instrument serif for titles, Geist for labels. Strokes are 1-pixel hairlines. Shadows are banned outright. Every coordinate snaps to a grid divisible by 4, which is why nothing ever looks slightly off. And the guiding principle, straight from the README, the highest quality move is usually deletion. Every node earns its place. It reads less like a config file and more like an art director style guide, compiled into a skill. Enough rules. Here's what the output actually looks like. This is the architecture template from the repo's own examples, a content site in production. Notice what's happening. The focal node gets the single accent color, everything else stays neutral. Edge labels are small caps, set on the line, never in floating boxes. There's a proper title, a kicker label, and a legend, because this is built to be published, not just glanced at. Ghost numbers watermark the flow order. It looks closer to a Stripe documentation figure than to anything a diagram generator usually emits. The catalog covers essentially everything technical writing needs: systems work, architecture, data flow, sequence diagrams, state machines, entity relationship models, process work, flowcharts, swim lanes, loops, nested processes, planning, timelines, Gantt charts, org charts, pyramids, data, bar, line, scatter, radar, quadrants, including a consultant-grade 2x2, and a specialized data platform set, medallion architectures, integration maps, security matrices, 29 types, each in light, dark, and full editorial dress, all from the same conversational prompt pattern. Crucially, you don't pick the type yourself. You describe the content and the skill roots to whichever template fits. Describe a process with handoffs between teams and you'll get a swim lane. Describe stages with dates and you'll get a timeline. The taxonomy is the skill's problem, not yours. Installation is 2 commands in Claude Code via the plugin Marketplace. Add the Marketplace, install the skill. Power users can clone the repo and symlink it into their skills directory instead, which makes the templates editable so you can tune the system to your own taste. From there, you never type a command again. You just ask for diagrams in conversation, and the skill routes to the right type. When you need deliverables, the export command renders any diagram to SVG or a high-resolution PNG at whatever scale you need for a deck or a blog post. Now the 60-second trick I promised. Point the skill at your website, and it extracts your brand, the accent colors, the typography, and writes them into the design system, so every diagram you generate afterward ships in your visual identity automatically. For anyone producing docs, decks, or a company engineering blog, that's the feature that turns this from a neat toy into a pipeline. The quadrant here is the stock look, but with onboarding it would render in your palette, your type, consistently, forever. Consistency is the thing design teams charge for, and it's automated here. The reason this repo resonates is that it takes a position. Diagrams as code tools solved the version control problem years ago, and made visual quality nobody's problem. The result is the sea of default-styled flowcharts every developer recognizes instantly and nobody wants in a keynote. Diagram Design's bet is that the model is finally good enough to hold both: the convenience of describing a diagram in a sentence and the discipline of a real design system. The README compresses the whole stance into 8 words. A note on the format, because it's a genuinely good engineering decision. Each diagram is one HTML file with the SVG inline and the fonts referenced, nothing else. That means the artifact is diffable in Git, previewable in a pull request, hostable on any static server, and immune to dependency rot because there are no dependencies. The export path shells out to render PNGs at print resolution. It's the least clever possible architecture, chosen deliberately, and it's exactly why the output will still open unchanged in 10 years. The repo itself is worth a browse. The docs folder includes rendered screenshots of all 29 types, so you can window shop the catalog before installing anything. Development is active, with pushes as recent as this morning, and the issue count sits at just 6, which for a repo with 6,000 stars usually signals something that mostly just works. It's MIT licensed end-to-end, so the templates are yours to fork, restyle, and ship commercially without a second thought. If you maintain a team's documentation, the move here is obvious. Install it, run brand onboarding against your company site once, and every architecture figure your team produces from that point forward comes out matched and publication ready. The snapshot: 6,258 stars, 416 forks, MIT, and climbing fast for a repo that's only existed since April. The bigger signal is what it says about the skills ecosystem. Claude Code skills started as workflow automation, deploy scripts, review checklists. Diagram design shows the ceiling is higher. A skill can encode taste. It's a design director's judgment, packaged and reproducible for anyone. If that pattern holds, the best skills won't just save you time, they'll upgrade the quality bar of everything you ship. The repo is linked in the description. The screenshots folder alone is worth the click. Subscribe to Prism Labs for weekly deep dives on AI developer tools. See you in the next one.